Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha umsau man klenti shoban poi tersan bala penya da ka senjuk mau plang.
Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee haka khat khnai tari urisau arja arpulai ula letpan play pat ba ek jingtei bathamai jong Jowai District and Session Court haka snong klit Tirchi West Giant Hills District. Haka ni gaji lang play lawan banya don lang daw sembut menteri rang ba ka jala ubri pet ya katanat Urban Affairs uba snyau balang dhar u Justice HS Thangkhiu u Justice W Ding Do baru Justice B Bhattacharjee nalor ki wei pat. Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee habakran hakani ka jing lang uloong. Bakani ka Ïing Kashari ka yeng ban ai ka hok yau pat ba lada ki jingkhang jong ka ki khang. Kamut ka jing bishar bahok ru kanom dan shuh ka imlang sahlang. U District But Session Judge ka West Giant Hills District Ïing Khan ula pentip. Balatay ka ni ka jing tay haka jaka ka bahe Kyrwoh point iwe hinriu acre haka mang tingka ka balong laipusan kulur prap kundai lak prapu hajar tingka.
I appeal to you to understand what this building stands for. This building stands for your rights. Courts are there to protect the citizens' rights. When life came to a standstill because of the pandemic for a couple of years, there were several people across the country trying to keep courts open. Because if the court's doors are closed, and the executive has to function, there is a lot of exercise of arbitrary authority which goes unchecked. The very fact that the court's doors remain open keeps the power in check or the use of power in check. I do not mean to say that the executive intends to abuse power, but sometimes shortcuts appear to be easier, and we courts make it difficult for these shortcuts to be taken. A lot has to be done to develop the district council courts in the state. I hope that the district council court setup takes a cue from the regular judiciary into evolving and improving both the infrastructure and the justice delivery system.
Congrats, Kino. You have a check up and
I not say Atiar.
yeah,
Ila banet la syam tayoru. Sala you dan Islam kenyan.
Islam kenyan. PE takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau kebadan kamban letas ya kekemia shua bandap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung ken yo kecing em kabakai kabakia bat Islam.
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control.
Patas HIV ya lade haka por ba pile check up ning bang haba armet.